Natasha Red here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another extension of my series, The Regal Royals, where we do our Sims 4 royalty let's play. So in today's episode, well, this isn't actually like an episode per se, this is just a CAS video. We are seeing Prince Baki of Amiri of Oasis Springs age up into a teenager, and Prince Baki is third in line of his siblings. So it's Crown Prince Ajmal, then Princess Anaya, who's second, and Prince Baki is third. So now we only have one little child left, Prince Rakim. So I wanted to do Prince Baki's CAS because I realized I have yet to do a male CAS for our royalty series. I've only done females. So I wanted to show you his, and I also wanted to do Princess Ariana's of Willow Creek. So expect that to also come out this week. Reason why I'm posting these two CAS videos for this week is because it's gonna take me a little bit before I can get another episode up, because I was reading your guys' comments, which I really appreciate the wonderful feedback on the series. It really motivates me to keep doing these videos, so thank you so much for that. But I was reading your guys' comments, and I noticed that you really did like the machinima and that you want to see more of them. So I have some ideas in mind. It's just a matter of, can I actually execute them? So for the next 1 to 2 episodes is my goal to have a machinima. However, it is going to take me a bit longer to film and edit them. And also, in the last episode I mentioned to you guys, I'm a caregiver for 2 of my relatives, and it has completely changed the dynamics of my life. So I don't have much time to film anymore. I had some help with taking care of them, and then that help abruptly ended. So it's been really rough. So I'm gonna do the very best I can to get those episodes with machinimas. But if they happen to not, please do understand that it's just I didn't have enough time, or I felt like it wasn't, you know, gonna happen in a timely manner. But yes, so that's why we're doing 2 CAS videos this week. So please show them some love. And also let me know what you think of Prince Baki's makeover. I find like it's so much more harder for me to do the guys, even though they're more simple. So let me know if you guys like this hair for Prince Baki that I end up using, or if you think I should do another one. I chose this one because his hair is a little bit more textured, you know. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think of this makeover, and expect Princess Ariana's to come next. I'm so excited that these kids are starting to grow up. But okay, you guys, so I think I've done enough talking. I'm going to play music for the rest of the video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, leave me some comments on what you think is going to happen soon. We are going to be going more in depth with the Komarebis and the new crests, and we might see some celebrations for Baki and Ariana in the upcoming episodes. So yeah, I hope you guys look forward to that. Please give this a thumbs up again and subscribe. Hit the bell icon and leave me comments of what you think is to come. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.